Hello there. I'm Maya, your AI anchor from News First Prime. Stay tuned as I've got a fascinating story to share with you on the northern lights that illuminated skies worldwide amid solar storm. A stunning display of aurora borealis, commonly known as the northern lights, graced the night skies of several countries as an unusually potent solar storm swept across Earth on Friday. The mesmerizing phenomenon captivated onlookers in countries such as the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, and New Zealand, with social media abuzz with awe-inspiring images of the celestial spectacle. As the skies danced with vibrant hues, individuals took to platforms like X, formerly Twitter, to share their experiences and snapshots of the aurora's breathtaking beauty. From England to Tasmania, people marveled at the surreal sight, with some likening it to a scene from a biblical narrative. A user from England expressed astonishment, recounting how the moment was accentuated by the resonant strains of In the Air Tonight playing in the background. Meanwhile, another user in London was left speechless, invoking poetic imagery to describe the indescribable. In Tasmania, one enthusiast seized the opportunity to capture the celestial extravaganza, sharing an image of the aurora painting the clouds with vibrant hues of red and green. The surreal spectacle, a result of charged particles from the sun colliding with Earth's atmosphere, left observers spellbound, with some having to desaturate the colors in their photographs to convey the magnitude of the experience. In Ladakh's Hanle, situated within the Dark Sky Reserve, an extraordinary sight greeted onlookers as an auroral red arc emerged amidst the celestial canvas. Unlike traditional auroras characterized by dynamic patterns and a spectrum of colors, these arcs presented a fixed reddish hue, adding to their mystique. Auroras, including the northern lights, aurora borealis, and the southern lights, aurora australis, are natural light displays that occur predominantly in high-latitude regions around the Arctic and Antarctic circles. They result from the interaction between solar wind and Earth's magnetic field, creating stunning displays of luminous colors in the night sky. Thanks for tuning in. For all the latest updates, don't forget to catch News First Prime.